Is DMCA your biggest nightmare? Then this is for you. Wait, how is this guy DMCA? Maybe the cape? What does that say? Oh, it just says DMCA, DMCA. No. Red Sam again. Just a dog howling. Okay, moving on. Man. I'm allergic to something. I'm getting owned. Red Problem again. Sassy Kitten. That's my Steam name. Nope. That's cursed. That's awful. That's stupid as well. Dude, it's fucking... Stop, man. This shirt crazy. It's not crazy. Are those nuts? What is going on? So far this month sucks. It really do. This is neat. Like, this is like well done, good job, but I don't think I like it. Also, I'm a rank 1 gladiator. Big difference. Can we see the vote number? Oh. Wait, where is it? Oh, right. Different breed? Garbage.